everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Shine. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 9th to the 14th of March 2026 on Monday. Everyone deals with the aftermath of the protest. Melo and Lulu are both suspicious of Donald. Lulu and Gamo finally comes home. Sebe and Umzimkulu face the consequences of their actions on Tuesday. G-Wagon is pleased with the decision Fikile makes, but not with Jack's. Kia's change of heart Stan and worries Ayanda. Ayanda demands Tao to make things right. Nkaba is not mad at Jack's latest idea. Donald put Mpo in his place on Wednesday. Ayanda isn't very supportive of Figile's plans. Ntando tried to sell his loot out, but is caught out. Tao is irritated with the woman in his life, and Kia takes him drinking. Lulama is impressed into asking Pastor Lawrence the hard questions. Mpo instincts are roused by rumors of X-Men on Thursday. Figile pulls away from Jack. Ayanda panics about the wellness center launch. Lulu gets an opportunity to write a story about its unknown who recruits Nokwazi to help get intel in McDonald's job on Friday. Ayanda launches the spa. Pastor Lawrence put Kia on the spot with his live on air interview. Nokwazi hand Lucy clash seemingly over Ntando, but really over G-Wagon. G-Wagon brings Ntando to the Mabaso house where things get even more complicated when G-Wagon spots Swazi doing the walk of shame. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.